guys. So this is me now before my training hit run. My training today is 20 minutes easy, and then 5 sets of speed run and 3 minutes rest. So tara, takbo. Ganda ng dagat ngayon. Good morning. Minutes na tayong tumatakbo. So tapos na tayo ng 10 minutes easy run and then 3 minutes speed run. Kakatapos lang, at ngayon 3 minutes rest tayo. So yung speed run natin is between 5:42 to 5:49 pace. So nai-hit naman natin, pero hindi talaga totally maintain kasi sobrang taas ng heart rate ko. So yun, rest muna, and then speed run naman. Second set, rest tayo 3 minutes. May 3 set pa ako. 3 sets. Grabe. Hingal. Recovery rest na. May 2 sets pa ako. Four sets. Last one na lang. Recovery rest 3 minutes. Grabe. Last 5 sets. This is my last set na.